So, nandito na kami sa Disneyland at ito napaklayo na aming nilalakaran. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Nako, this is very exciting. Okay, so ito, papunta na kami sa Disneyland Park. At ang layo, medyo malayo rin ang nilakad namin, ha? And we able to actually find a parking. Medyo maloon pa ang parking ngayon. Yeah, teka dito.
Remain seated once this tram stops completely. Make sure you gather your belongings. Keep your head lowered. Exit to the driver's left-hand side. Also, for your enjoyment, Disneyland is open until midnight. California Adventure 10 o'clock. Trams will run until 1 a.m. Please
Okay,
wait
so
for
the Disney tram stopped here, and we're gonna walk
Alright, there you have it. So you don't hit it.
the
Exit to the
Disneyland
driver's
Park.
left-hand side.
Okay, so before we get to the main Disneyland Park, talagang napakalayo ng lalakarin. Ayan, so after we took the Disney tram, ayan, binaba kami rito. Tapos ito, panibagong lakad na naman. Okay, so nandito na po tayo sa loob ng Disneyland. Look how much, it's $34.99 for the Mickey Mouse ears headband. It's $34.99. Oh, they have different colors. So this is Disneyland. This is Disneyland. Ipapasyal ko po kayo dito sa loob ng Disneyland. Ang daming tao. It's Friday today. At napakaraming tao. Any day of the week, puno ang tao dito, especially during the weekend. I can smell the coffee.
Also a windbreaker that's really cute.
Do you want the Mickey Mouse cotton candy? Nay.
Popcorn yun eh.
Nay or yay?
You want a popcorn?
Mickey Mouse cotton candy. Oh, there's hot dogs, corn dogs.
Or is it?
There is a corn dogs, right?
Kaya tayo mga rides.
You wanna go that right? No, I don't wanna ride that. Let's go inside the main attraction.
Okay. Do you want to buy this? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's just me. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yung na right.
I think this is the Peter. I think this is the Peter Pan. Peter Pan, right? Oh, I love it.
Haba na pila.
Okay, so medyo nagutom kami. We're gonna eat first. Dito kami mismo sa loob kakain. Actually, meron mga kiosk sa labas na mabibilan ng snacks. Pero I think it's better to eat and dine in. Okay, so ito yung kanilang menu for this restaurant. At kakain muna kami. So, this is how it looks inside the Burn. Okay, so we ordered 3 cheeseburger. And we also have a salad and tater tots. And of course, juice for me and ate. And for Dada, sabi niya, he's craving for Coke. So, ayan, kinuha ko siya ng Coke. Pero sabi ko ngayon lang yan. Kasi talagang hindi ko siya pinapainom ng Coke eh. You know, Coke is... Masarap ang Coke, kaya lang eh, you know, we don't want him to consume too much sugar. Alright, guys. So, we'll just enjoy our lunch.
Ito yata sa Small World. Ito yata.
Oh yeah, I think this is the other part, the Small World. Okay, so we are heading back. It's about 7:30 p.m. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, iyan yung parking structure for Disneyland. At hindi kayo talaga maniwala hanggang ngayon ha, napakaraming tao pa rin. Disneyland is open until 11 p.m. Ayan, ang dami pa rin dumarating. Mga tao dito sa Disneyland. So, ayan, papunta na kami sa kotse namin. At we really enjoyed. Ito lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang ito ang tawag pala nila dito ay Mickey Mouse Tram. So, yan ang naghatid sa amin papunta din sa Disneyland Park. And it's the same tram that actually pick us up and drop us off here. So, kasi malayo rin, hindi pwedeng lakarin. So, they provided this tram para sa mga guests. Ayan. So, we're going back to our car. At pauwi na kami. Talagang nag-enjoy talaga kami. So, it's worth it talaga yung bayad na $188 bawat isa sa amin. Kasi, alam ba ninyo, hindi nga namin nasakyan lahat ng mga rides nila. Pero talaga namang nag-enjoy kami. Okay, so the same truck that actually dropped us off here. So, we're going to the parking now. We're done with our Disneyland adventure. So this is the tram. This will take us to the parking area.
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. You'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today. Just check the doors closed until this tram has come to a full and